So welcome to another video. We are going to see how to change a voice using a particular free tool. We're going to change a voice using CapCut. So we would be using CapCut online PC software. Go to your CapCut dashboard, click Start, and click on Magic Tools. On the next opening, click on Voice Changer. So I'm going to upload the voice we tend to change. You can upload up to 50 MB and 15 minutes of recorded voice audio. And it's advisable to use the MP3 audio extension. So click here to upload your voice. It's been uploaded, so let's check out the sound now. This is the voice we intend to change now. So I'm going to use the first one, so let's preview it first of all. So that's
welcome
it.
to another video. We're going to see how you can use.
Click Generate now. Now, let's click Download. You can click Audio. Audio only, or you can opt for audio and captions. The download is complete, so let's see how the voice changes.
So welcome to another video. We're going to see how you can use CapCut to create a fantastic ads and advertisement for any products that you want to advertise, either on TikTok
So that's
or
it.
any other platform.
Thank you for watching.
So we're going
Kindly
to edit
like,
to
share and
CapCut now
subscribe.
to use.